Good morning, I'm Ben Spry, Optimisation Desk Manager here at Npower, and welcome to today's market report from the trading floor in Swindon. Okay, so looking at the three main headlines this morning. Firstly, we're seeing gas and power prices trading lower than last night's close, and that's both on the prompt and indeed on the curve. Secondly, this is being driven by a revised temperature forecast, so warmer temperatures going in the back end of December, and this is despite a short gas system today. And thirdly, we're seeing Brent oil trading back down near its recent lows at around about $82 a barrel. If you do need any more information, obviously please do contact us on the email address provided. Okay, now for a little bit more detail. So as I mentioned, we'll start with the gas system. So gas system actually forecast to close around about 14 MCM short at the moment. Demand relatively stable where it was yesterday, about 239 MCM. However, we are seeing flows from Norway certainly a lot lower than we were seeing yesterday as a result of some unplanned outages at the St Fergus field. And that's impacting flows into the UK. Not due to last a great deal of time. Initial assessments are around about 24 hours. However, that is limiting flows into St Fergus this morning. Elsewhere, Langlead flow still pretty robust, however, a little bit lower than yesterday's levels. So again, lower flows into the UK. BBL flows though, kind of making up for that shortfall from the Norwegian flows. We have seen those step up. Also, LNG flows remain robust. And also, that switch between on the interconnector between Europe and UK, we're on import mode now, so that's adding a little bit of relief as well. But just keep an eye on that. However, despite the short gas system, the market really is looking at those revised temperature forecasts going into December, so showing it a lot warmer, and this is putting a lot of downward pressure both on the balance of winter contracts for gas and also power. It's also pressuring next summer as well, so those contracts trading a little bit lower as well this morning. In terms of power, we've seen nuclear station Dungeness due to restart today. That's been pushed back tomorrow, so keep an eye on the return of those and other nuclear units. However, on the flip side, we've got ample wind generation today, so really picked up from yesterday, providing over 6 gigawatts of generation today. As I said, power prices generally following gas a little bit lower this morning. However, kind of only a few contracts have traded so far today. If you move out then, look at some wider commodities, look at Brent oil, we're always looking at that for a good story, and it's trading back down towards its recent lows, so around about $82 a barrel now, however has been trading lower overnight. Driven by some really healthy production from some US shale oil fields, and also a much stronger dollar than yesterday's session. So that's just pressuring Brent oil prices, and that's in spite of that decreased production in Libya that we talked about yesterday. Okay, that's about it for today. It's a slow day in terms of economic news. We've got a bank holiday in the US. However, tomorrow, a little bit of data out of the US and also some employment data from the UK as well. So a bit more data for you tomorrow. Okay, just to summarise then, short gas system, however, that revised warmer temperature forecast really pressuring prices this morning. Okay, that's it from us. Have a great day. We'll see you again this time tomorrow. Thanks, goodbye.